All right, so we are at a commercial building here, and we're getting the floor all cleaned up. So we're using a special machine. This is a Clark machine, and so it's actually got a squeegee, a scrub bar, and another squeegee. So it's putting the water down, scrubbing it, and sucking it back up. And it can clean forward and backward. And so see, she found a spot, so she's working on it a little bit. And it uses a special cleaner for hardwood floors in LVT, which is luxury vinyl tile, which is what this is. But this is still got the grooves like hardwood floor and the joints like hardwood floor. And so the brushes that are on there, they spin. It's like a big drum. They spin and they clean out all these little crevices and stuff, and really do get it clean. So you can see where we've cleaned. There's just a light film of water on there. And then the idea is you're not making a puddle. You're just cleaning the surface, and no water is going down into the hardwood floor or into the LVT. So as she's cleaning along, that brush automatically rides to the right height for the floor. It's got the tanks on the back here, and then that front blue part there is where the dirty water goes. And it's got a wand and stuff for getting cracks and crevices if you come across like debris and stuff. But we usually clean the floor, you know, like light mop the floor before, dust mop it. And then we use this machine to clean all the dirt off, and then go from there. So sometimes we're cleaning this and putting a coating on it. Sometimes we're cleaning it just with a cleaner that does a good job all by itself. And sometimes we're actually putting a new type of finish on it just to make it look nice. So it really depends. So if you have hardwood floor, usually what we do is for hardwood floor where the polyurethane is damaged, we'll actually do a dustless for finishing. This is more of a cleaning process that people don't know that we can do. So this is kind of showing you guys what we're capable of. This tool will clean within a 1/4 inch of the floor along the wall, and it does a really good job. So yeah, tons of fun. So yeah, that's what we're up to today. I hope you guys haven't. Here's my face. You guys all know Rachel. She's been crushing it for years for us now. Does a great job. But yeah, we're just finishing up this commercial job, and then we're going to put a coating on this floor. Something that's sacrificial that it will eventually clean off over time, but it'll protect the floor in the meantime and make it look really good too. So hope you guys all have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you soon to get your floors all cleaned up and polished or carpets. So all right, thanks, have a good one, see ya.